Dreo.com represents a truly outstanding standard in modern home comfort and smart living, offering products that feel thoughtfully engineered, beautifully designed, and genuinely built around the needs of everyday users. From the first visit to the website, the experience feels polished and professional, with clear product information, smooth navigation, and a premium aesthetic that immediately builds confidence in the brand. What makes Dreo especially impressive is its strong focus on innovation combined with practicality. Each product is designed to deliver powerful performance while remaining remarkably quiet, energy efficient, and easy to operate, which is a rare balance to achieve so consistently. The build quality feels solid and durable, with attention given to even the smallest details, making each device feel reliable and long-lasting rather than disposable. Dreo products integrate seamlessly into daily life, enhancing comfort without demanding constant adjustments, thanks to intuitive controls, smart features, and user-friendly designs that simplify operation for all age groups. The setup process is refreshingly straightforward, with clear instructions and thoughtful packaging that protects the product while minimizing unnecessary waste. Performance-wise, Dreo continuously exceeds expectations, delivering consistent results that make a noticeable difference in home comfort, whether used for work, relaxation, or sleep. Another major highlight is the brand's strong commitment to customer satisfaction, reflected in responsive and professional customer support that genuinely tries to help rather than offering generic solutions. This level of service builds trust and reassures customers that their investment is protected. Overall, Dreo.com delivers a complete and highly satisfying experience by combining sleek aesthetics, advanced technology, dependable performance, and excellent customer care, making it a brand that stands out as reliable, forward-thinking, and worthy of long-term loyalty.